Welcome back to Simple Spoonfuls, where we show you how to make simple recipes spoonful of nutrition. I'm Kristen Nusel, registered dietitian and patient advocacy liaison.
And I'm Kim Moran, Senior Vice President and Head of Rare Diseases in the U.S. Now today, we are going to make a fun and easy rice bowl. This is one of my family's favorites. Now there's a lot of different ways you can spin this up, so feel free to add ingredients that you prefer. For example, instead of regular rice, we are going to cook with cauliflower rice today.
That's right, I actually love cauliflower rice, and the microwavable version makes for a quick and easy kitchen staple. Some individuals living with myasthenia gravis can fatigue easily in the kitchen. Using a microwavable rice or cauliflower rice can save a lot of time with the same nutrients for meals. And if you're looking to cut back on carbohydrates, cauliflower rice is a great alternative to rice.
Now for this recipe, you'll need a bag of cauliflower rice, which is about a cup. You'll also need 6 egg whites, 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 scallions chopped up but separated the whites and the greens, 1 cup of mushrooms, 2 cups of baby spinach, 1/4 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, half an avocado sliced, and 2 salmon fillets.
First, we're going to bake the salmon at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And before putting your salmon in the oven, we're going to splash some lemon juice on the salmon fillets. That's going to add some really nice flavor to the salmon.
Kristen, I'm going to ask you for your help to put this in the oven. Thank you.
You got it.
Now while that cooks, we're going to put a large skillet on a burner. Now we're going to turn it on and crank it to about medium-high heat.
Place 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the skillet and let it heat up. We're going to then add 6 tablespoons of egg whites to the pan and cook until cooked through and a nice consistency. So similar to scrambled eggs, and this will be about 1 to 3 minutes. By using egg whites, you are saving calories and fat, but also removing some vitamin D by removing the yolk.
Once the eggs are set, you'll transfer them to a large plate.
Those look good.
And we'll add another tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. Next, we're going to cook our pre-cut vegetables. Now, you can try and find these at the grocery store pre-cut to save you time and save you energy in the kitchen. Or feel free to take out your food processor and chop them up at home.
We're going to toss in the pre-cut vegetables of your choice. We're going to start with adding our mushrooms and the white parts of the scallions first, as they take a little bit longer to cook and soften. Mushrooms are a good source of insoluble fiber, which can help you feel full longer. And scallions contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which is an antioxidant. We'll cook all of these until they are soft and tender and easy to chew, so about 4 to 6 minutes. This can help prevent jaw fatigue some individuals get from consistent chewing.
Now you can choose to drain any moisture from the vegetables or keep it to prevent any level of dryness with your meal. So you'll then need to transfer your veggies onto the same plate as your eggs. And now we're going to start with the rice. If you're making stovetop rice, you should have started probably that at the beginning, but today we're going easy with the cauliflower instant rice. You'll take your cauliflower rice. I'm gonna ask Kristen to help open this, and we're gonna go put it in the microwave for 1 minute, which is what the directions say on this package. Please be sure to consult the directions on the package of cauliflower rice that you purchase. Once we're finished, we're gonna put that cauliflower rice back into the skillet. Now that the rice is finished, thanks, Kristen, you'll put the rice into the skillet.
Next, we will add the spinach, the cooked eggs, the mushrooms, and the scallions that you cooked earlier from that plate. Spinach has great anti-inflammatory properties and is a nice addition to this dish. We are also adding some reduced sodium soy sauce and hot sauce for moisture and flavor. We'll stir this all together until everything is warmed through, so about 2 minutes. Some individuals living with myasthenia gravis are told to watch their sodium intake as they are on steroids, and that may cause fluid retention. Even the reduced sodium soy sauce is very high in sodium, so feel free to leave this out if you desire or need to. We are just using a smidge here today. Salmon's all ready.
Oh, that is beautiful and thoroughly cooked. So first, we're going to transfer our cauliflower rice, vegetables, and spinach and seasonings into our beautiful rice bowl. And this amount in this recipe is going to serve 2 people. So once we're done plating our gorgeous rice bowl, we are going to top with our salmon fillets.
Oh, that looks good.
And for the garnish, we're going to put a little bit of the green part of the scallion. And then arrange our avocado chunks to complete our beautiful cauliflower rice bowl dish.
This meal serves 2. Enjoy.
Audio Jungle.